This is the chemical structure of ethanol. Why? Because it contains two carbon and a functional group, which is hydroxy group, OH. So we have to add OL right after the compound name, which is ethane, ethanol. This chemical structure also known as ethyl alcohol. So this is the chemical structure of ethanoic acid. Same like ethanol, it contains two carbon, but the functional group is carboxylic acid group, which is C double bond O, OH. So we need to put oic acid at the back of the name, which is ethanoic acid, ethanoic acid. This compound also commonly heard as acetic acid. Let's focus on their physical properties. Both alcohol and ethanoic acid are highly flammable, colorless liquid, and also have odor. Ethanol have this pleasant odor and a burning taste, whereas ethanoic acid has a vinegar-like odor. Next is safety information. If you look around the slide, you will find a lot of hazard sign. The top sign is for ethanol and the bottom sign is for ethanoic acid. These signs mean flammable, carcinogen, and danger, whereas the bottom part is flammable and irritation. As we can see, both of the chemicals aren't for us to use carelessly, so this is the safety information that we should use. First, the most important one, which is always wear your personal protection as required. For example, glasses, gloves, lab coats, and always wear a full covered shoes. Second is perform your experiments in a well-ventilated area or a fume hood, or use a fume hood, because both chemicals are highly flammable. Third is always follow the guidelines for the storage and the segregation. This is to minimize the risk of chemical reactions. And last but not least, avoid contact skin and eyes, because both of the chemicals can absorb through your skin.
The first one is to synthesize the ethanol. So we use the method of hydration of ethane. For this method, ethane will react with water vapor to form ethanol. So this process needs phosphoric acid as a catalyst, temperatures of around 300 Celsius and also 60 to 70 atmosphere of pressure. The second one is to synthesize ethanoic acid. So we use the oxidation of ethanol. For this method, when ethanol mixed with potassium dichromate in presence of dilute sulfuric acids, which act as a catalyst, we know that dichromate is an oxidizing agent, so it will oxidize the ethanol, causing it to gain another atom of oxygen, then forming ethanoic acid.
Let's move on to the application of ethanol in industry. First of all, we have the personal care products, where it can be found in beauty products. Its function as an estrogen, where ethanol helps to assist clean skin and also as a preservative in lotion. Other than that, it prevents lotion ingredients from separating and contaminated. Moreover, it also can destroy bacteria, fungus, and viruses, which is mainly used in hand sanitizer. Other than that, we have household products where ethanol works as a solvent, where it can mix easily with water and many organic compounds, and it also helps in eliminating dangerous germs efficiently, where we can use these products to cleanse our clothes, our home, and as preservative. For example, it's like detergent. Next one, the use of ethanol in fuel, where it can boost the performance of engines. It happens because the ethanol burns more completely than ordinary unleaded gasoline. And it also benefits us because ethanol is a renewable fuel. So more fact about this ethanol is that this ethanol fuel has a greater octane rating than petrol, so by doing it, it offers superior mixing properties and better fuel. For food derivative, ethanol can help to improve the flavor of food extract, such as with the using of MSG and so on. So other than that, it also helps in the uniform distribution of food coloring. For example, the vanilla extract and also other fruit flavoring, like that will make the food become tastier.